Today, Southern Gardening is back at the home of Patricia Holiday in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, admiring beautiful varieties of Rose of Sharon hibiscus. Let's take a closer look at some of these plants. Rose of Sharon hibiscus are beautiful and versatile shrubs that add a splash of color to any garden setting with their unique, eye-catching flowers. Many popular cultivars are known for their striking blooms. Their color can range from white, pink, to purple. One of my favorites, Sugar Tip, is a standout variety known for its beautiful variegated foliage and flowers. The flowers are double-petaled, pink, and resemble miniature roses in their fullness. Sugar Tip's distinctive feature is its variegated leaves with creamy white margins and green centers, adding visual interest even when the plant is not in bloom. An unknown variety really showing out in Patricia's landscape is a passalong plant. It is covered with gorgeous double light pink blooms with pink highlights. Rose of Sharon hibiscus plants make great passalong plants because they are easy to root. They typically grow to a height of 8 to 12 feet and a spread of 4 to 6 feet with proper pruning. Unlike tropical hibiscus, Rose of Sharon hibiscus are cold hardy to USDA Zone 5, making them a great option for any landscape in the South. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.